Hello, I'm in a 2011 IS 250 Lexus, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first you want to start the vehicle, and then we'll wait just a moment for everything to load. In the meantime, you want to make sure your phone device is on and your Bluetooth symbol is highlighted blue, which means it's on for your phone. Usually if you hold the button, it'll open your Bluetooth menu with all your options. So now that everything's loaded, there's a couple buttons you can press to get there, like through setup. I'll use info phone, and then phone, and then we're gonna connect phone. And then here you have a max number of slots, so if it's full you might need to delete one before you can add a new one, but we'll add. Alright, and then from your device you want to make sure it's in a scan mode, and it says here you're looking for car multimedia, which it's probably going to be this one here. So just wait for it to load. Usually takes a few moments. Sometimes you might have to try this a few times just so technology is. Shutting the car off, maybe restarting your phone. Alright, so now it's trying to pair, and it's going to ask for this passcode, which in this case is 4 zeros. Pair. Alright, now we're almost there, home stretch. So it says it's connected now. So once it's all through, you should be able to take phone calls through the car, listen to music, things like that. And if you're having issues with these different toggle buttons to get where you're trying to go, like whether this phone button's not getting you there, the setup isn't, but it should because of your phone, manage phone, and it gets you at all the same menus. You can look on your steering wheel. Usually you'll find something like this, and you can try to go through voice commands to add phones, delete phones, Bluetooth settings, things like that. Sometimes that'll work. I recommend the interface. It's just simpler and easier. But that's it. I hope this was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.